Hey guys, Matt here. All right, well, we're down here, we're at deer hunt and watering some of the trees I planted this year. I've got a pump going. It's about, I don't know, about 350 feet or so that way, pulling out of a pond, and we have a big long garden hose watering the trees. I got them caged off here, as you can see. Water each one of the trees for a couple of minutes apiece. It's kind of down here in this little clearing. I've done videos in this area before, and it seems like the ground stays fairly moist, so that's a good deal. But it's been very hot the last several weeks, 103, 105 degrees, so need to get down here and water these trees. This will be the second time watering them this summer. Got a little DCO here that I'm watering. And you can see all the other trees. And they are sawtooth oaks, so everybody that's anti-sawtooth oak can just put a sock in it. Got about 8 trees down here.